Today we are gonna play Will You Press the Button? Let's try this. Okay, you have the ability to recover from any injury, but you feel twice the amount of pain during the healing process. I will press the button. I like it. The cast and crew of X-Files will reunite for a new season. I don't know what it is. Whatever. Leave the world, period. You have a permanent fedora and can't take it off. I pressed the button. Okay, 50-50, sort of. Come on. Every time somebody says something good about you, you win $1. Every time somebody says something bad. Oh no! No. Until you win the world and the world justly and perfect. But that person. I will press the button. I will not press the button. Let's go. Able to change the appearance the process is extremely painful and will take time. You're granted one wish of anything in the world you want and are granted magical powers to fight evil, which is to make contract with an alien who is trying to save the universe. I will not. Yeah, I like that one. Come on. But that give you the... I'll press the button. There's a world of peace and infinite period of time. I will press the button. Hungry and will find you where to goody. Socks. I don't care, but I don't want people to die. Temperature levels. I will press the button. 50-50.
No food, okay. Alright, let me go.
I will not. Come on, stupid sex. You will never work again.
No food, no
Yay, I won. You can have anything or have anyone to do anything for you.
Ellen, did you have popcorn?
You can have anything you know. I will not. Aww. Well, I'm free to do anything because everyone hates you. Let's go. I will not. So guys, I'll see you later because this is the end. Bye.